Hi guys, and welcome to the unboxing of yet another power supply. It's the APS 3005D. So let's get right to it. I got my knife, this time a little bit bigger, and let's start it. I'm doing it trying not to cut myself. And let's open it up. So this is the user manual. It is only 4 pages long. Bit short. We have some packaging. Another instruction. Another instruction. This is in French. Yeah, instruction manual in French. And the power supply itself. So let's get the power supply itself out here. Don't want to damage the packaging just yet, because I think I might be needing it later. Come on, get out. It is quite heavy. So, what do we have in the box? Some packaging, but nothing else. So, the box is empty. Let's get it out of the way and take a look at the power supply itself. First we have on this side we have a mains cable and some load cables. And then let's get this packaging. On this side we don't have it. Let's get this packaging and get it. So, this is the power supply itself. It has an unpronounceable name, I don't know how to spell that. It's the APS 3005D DC power supply. Let's get that. Let's unload. Let's unpack the cables. Let's plug it in and try it out. Ooh. It already powered on. Yeah, it works. Let's try out the cables. It's powered on 0, 0. Let's plug them in, this and short circuit the cables and see if it works. What? This is strange. It doesn't. I guess I have to read the owner's manual before I can operate that, but I have now read the Chinglish owner's manual to make sure it's not my fault And it looks like this one is a dud, because if you power it on and turn the voltage dial, nothing happens. To make sure, I got my multimeter out. Let's plug it in and turn it on, of course. And it's at 0 volts, 1.3 millivolts, but yeah, that's nothing. And nothing changes if you dial the voltage knob. Let's see if anything happens with the current. Yeah, when it goes to constant current mode, the voltage drops to minus 500 millivolts. But that's not what it's supposed to do. So, yeah, I got a dud. It's not completely dead on arrival. It does something, but it doesn't work like it's supposed to. Yeah, that doesn't bode well for the upcoming review. If you don't want to miss that review, please subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. That's it for this video. See you with the review. Bye.